Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off Glassdoor emails. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you to your main Glassdoor dashboard where you can access all your account settings and preferences. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from this menu, click on your name. This action will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Glassdoor profile and notification preferences. Once you're on your account page, look over to the left sidebar. You'll notice several menu options listed there. Find and click on Notifications. This section is specifically designed to help you control all the different types of notifications and emails you receive from Glassdoor, whether they're about job alerts, company reviews, or other updates. After the notifications page loads, scroll down through the available options. You're looking for a section called Global Settings. This is where you can make broad changes to your notification preferences all at once rather than toggling individual email types. Go ahead and click on Global Settings to access the master controls for your email notifications. Within the Global Settings section, you'll see an option labeled All Emails. Right beside this label, there's a toggle switch. This toggle controls whether you receive any emails from Glassdoor at all. Click on this toggle switch to turn it off. By disabling this setting, you're essentially unsubscribing from all email communications from Glassdoor in one simple action. After you click the toggle, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Glassdoor's way of making sure you really want to stop receiving emails, as it's a significant change to your account settings. The confirmation will ask if you want to proceed with unsubscribing from all emails. Click Yes, Unsubscribe to confirm your decision and complete the process. And that's it, you've successfully turned off all email notifications from Glassdoor, so your inbox will no longer be filled with updates from the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.